I feel like she knows.
Really, he's 14.
It has spent many years in my basement.
No, it's been 5 years here.
No. She
Yeah.
had the most.
Like 3 years in our
I
basement.
had it for the most. And then Jeremy had it and it disappeared
No,
for a while.
but she's cutting Kyle having it, not taking
No,
it
you
anyway.
can't. I ended up with
Kyle
it.
had it, I had to have it.
That's only twice.
I had it for half the time.
Sorry, but he's going to the Salvation Army this year. So you
Oh,
won't be happy now.
No, don't be a
Don't be
party
a
pooper.
party pooper. Every party has a
Yeah,
pooper.
Mom, don't be
let
a
it
party
be you.
pooper.
You can hide it in the attic or
Ryan
something.
should get it next year.
Mine,
Ryan
okay,
has never
mine
had
stayed
it.
in a box. Pretty much the
Ryan
whole
has
year.
Uncle
The
Kev
cats
helped
played
you.
with it for a little bit and then that was it.
Hey, Brittany.
Careful how you open it.
Brittany, who has a bird
We
on,
actually
Mom?
spent a year in Kyle's apartment with, what was that guy's name?
Wendell.
Wendell.
All you have to do is tie him from a string in the corner over here and you can hang all year.
You just rip the box so the box is completely
I'm saying they're stable. Be careful.
No, I might.
Yeah, stop. Oh, Leia, is he barking at you?
What you doing, my dog? It's because you're so scared that you're going to get you.
Yeah, who can't tell Mom
Bad
that
enough
on
we
the
got the
bird.
toilet paper holder last year.
I had okay, I give 2 years in a row, so I don't even feel bad.
Well, let's see what you
See
got.
what it looks like.
Let's see it.
It's nothing special, guys.
Let's see what you got.
He looks really, really,
What's the
really...
new addition this year?
I don't know.
Oh, you gotta keep pulling it out. It's at the bottom.
Oh, that Sparty helmet's looking good though.
Oh my god. That's so obscene.
You love the gift, Mom?
Handcuffs on his feet. I'm saying they went out with the Santa handcuffs. The bra.
Is that because he gets thrown in a box and he's stuck there for a year?
No,
Yeah, so it's like
Where's his bra?
Underneath the state shirt.
It's been covered so many times
this
now.
guy's been around.
Brittany, I like the handcuffs. They're nice.
new.
He's very kinky. So I thought I'd add handcuffs.
Put his underwear on.
Look at that. You even knocked his thong up from too much usage.
thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a Sparty helmet from the games.
You know, this used to fit the right way.
Well, at least his legs won't fly around now. They're kind of stuck together.
Poor guy.
Get your hand out of his crotch.
Yeah, Mom, get your hand out of his crotch.
You know what my neighbor told me I should have done?
She's gonna treat you when you're old and you need help.
You know what I was gonna do? I was gonna put, you can go get like a sack of walnuts, and I was gonna stuff the dog with it.
Mom really likes your president.
I don't think she does.
There, he's happy now.